My Philodendron Florida Ghost is kind of taking over this area because it's not its fault. I haven't given it a pole to climb and I have refused to cut it. So it's time. It's time to cut the plant. But before we do, should we just check in with this gorgeous baby? Because I know we're really backlit, but oh my gosh. This is Philodendron Bromark's Fantasy, and it's just the stuff dreams are made of, honestly. It's the most beautiful plant. The leaves are just stunning. I love it. I'm crazy about it. But anyway, I haven't cut this plant just because I don't know, when you spend a bunch of money on a plant and you think, I'm not going to risk cutting this thing off. Well, and why didn't I stake it? I don't know. I'm silly. So I'm doing it now though. I'm going to take this chance to wash my window because, yuck. And get this little shelf kind of cleaned up a little bit, give my Monstera some room back to itself because this thing has really been just laying all over it. It's like a tangled mess of leaves over here. So I have some cleaning to do, but first I have some cutting to do. So I'm gonna go grab my Felco pruners. Okay, here are my pruners, and there's the end of my plant. It goes all the way down here, and I'm going to cut pretty low down in here. I think may as well, what the heck, right there will do. And it's done. Oh my goodness, I don't love cutting stuff. Here are my cuttings. Look how beautiful this leaf is, just stunning. Hasn't even finished fading to green yet. That's why you want these plants, isn't it? Or why I do. Because they're gorgeous. So beautiful. I ended up with like 6 or 7 or 8 cuttings there. So they're just gonna sit here on my piano until we have some roots, and then it will be time to propagate. So that's kind of exciting. All right, that looks a lot better, right? So much better. My pretty amethyst from Uruguay. It's kind of like a yellowy, isn't it beautiful? Sorry, I'm so distractible. Then this one is like a grayish purple. It's so beautiful. I am obsessed with amethysts, by the way. But there, this guy is all completely cut back. Took him back pretty far, actually. I've cleaned all the leaves. I cleaned the glass in the window. On the inside, I still need to go outside and do that as well. And here's another pretty amethyst. Isn't that pretty? So I like it much better. I feel like it looks less cluttered, and certainly my poor leaves down here are going to be happier now that they can grow freely and not have other leaves just laying on top of them. So I'm going to definitely put some more cuttings in here once they root out, and then I will have a real nice full plant, and I think I'll give it a moss pole and see how high she goes. Kind of like this beauty. Let me show you the newest leaf, because it is really beautiful. That's not the newest leaf, but that's a good one. Here's a good one too. Look at that. But here's the new baby. So beautiful. That's why we love an albo Monstera, right? They're just beautiful plants. Okay, well, I hope you all enjoyed cutting my plant with me, and I will probably be selling some of these Florida Ghosts on my Etsy shop sometime soon, so keep your eyes peeled if that's interesting to you. I hope you all have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.